Hey, welcome to another trip. We're up here in the Sierras. Just got to camp. We've got the South Fork of the Kern River here behind me. Right behind the camera is a section of the PCT trail. We're gonna be hiking that tomorrow. It's about 5 already, so we're not doing anything today other than making some dinner. We're gonna be in this area for a couple days, and then we're gonna meet up with a couple folks. I'll introduce you to them on Sunday, and we're gonna be moving over to a different section. So yeah, hang out here, make some dinner, and we'll catch up with you soon. Well, I'm going to see what I can do about getting Kimmy on camera a little bit more on this trip, but she's not the biggest fan.
Nope, I'm not at all. It gets very awkward for me.
It's okay. You do great filming me, but you don't prefer being on this side of it.
I don't, but I'll try.
Yeah. What's the plans for dinner tonight?
I marinated some chicken, so we're going to do chicken street tacos on the Blackstone with just onions, cilantro, lime, sour cream cheese. Pretty simple.
Yep. I love it though.
Yep.
She did the prepping and the planning, so I'll do the cooking. So we'll get started on that. Well, it got cold real quick as soon as the sun went down, so we're gonna get cooking before it gets too dark and you can't see anything. A little bit of olive oil on the Blackstone just to keep the chicken from sticking. Alright, turned it on, it's preheated. We're just gonna put all this on here. Got these little street taco size tortillas. Chicken's done, off to the side. Then like we said in the intro, Kimmy plans out the meals and we do a lot of the prep at home. So all the onions are pre-diced, cilantro's pre-diced, brought the avocado. So we'll get that stuff dished up and put the toppings on. Good morning. It definitely got chilly last night. Coldest we've camped in so far. I don't have a temperature gauge and no cell service, so I don't know what I got down to. We want to get up to go hike and make breakfast, but we're still nice and warm in our down sleeping bag, so not very motivated to get out of here yet. For breakfast today, we're going to be making some keto pancakes with some blueberries and strawberries in it. Haven't done these before. I'm going to try it on the Blackstone. I don't see why that would be any different than a stovetop, so see how it goes. I don't think these keto pancake mix is going to be that great, so we're going to try and spice it up a little bit with some dark chocolate chips. They look decent. Let's see if they actually taste halfway decent. Got all wrapped up with breakfast, cleaned up. Camp is kind of closed down while we're going to be gone hiking. We're heading out on a section of the PCT right from where we're camped at.
I think there's a bridge like 4 or 5 miles out.
Yeah, so we'll do, I don't know, 9 or 10 miles round trip. Probably just cruise 3 or 4 hours of hiking and then get back to the truck. But let's go check out this trail. We're about a mile and a half in. Super cool hike so far. Kern River right off to my left. At this real cool bridge crossing for the river here. We'll go a little bit further up and then turn around and head back to the truck for lunch. Got a couple fall colors left before it goes to full winter. But a fun hike so far. We're camped down this tree area down below here. Only 10 or 15 minutes away. Took a shower after that hike, used up all the water in my rinse kit, so I keep 2 5-gallon cans on the back of the truck. I siphon it out of here and refill the rinse kit. It's a lot easier than unmounting that and pouring it in. So just like those of you that have siphoned gas, same concept. Let's give that a couple minutes. I think this is 2.5 or 3 gallons if I remember right. I can do this at least like 4 times on a weekend, and I never use that much water, but it's really convenient. Now that that's all full, for those of you that don't know what the rinse kit is, a couple gallons of water, a built-in water pump, 12-volt port to charge it, a little LCD screen that shows you how much voltage the unit has, and then just a standard like garden hose style fixture. They even make a electric heater rod that I'm gonna get because it's a little chilly taking showers. Electric heater rod that goes in the fill port, and you plug it into the 12-volt, give it a few minutes to heat up the water, and you've got 2 or 3 gallons of heated water to take a shower with or do your dishes. I'm definitely going to get that now that we're approaching winter camping. Alright, sneak attacking her and putting her on camera again.
There you are again.
What do we got going for dinner?
We're gonna do egg roll in a bowl, which is just everything you put in an egg roll. Just put it in a bowl.
Pretty simple concept.
Pretty simple. Coleslaw, ground beef, green onion, garlic, and then soy sauce, ground ginger, sriracha, and some sesame seed oil.
Sounds good. Is this our new method of getting you on camera?
I guess so, because I know more about this than I do about overlanding. So
should we get like a segment name? We can do a little video on each trip.
I don't think so.
What should we call it if we did?
Cooking with Kim.
Yeah, cooking with Kim. That'll work.
All right.
All right.
What are you wearing, babe? You sneak attacked me, I'll sneak attack you.
Oh, grease protector. I ruined my jacket and pants right here last night from the grease popping off of the Blackstone. So now I've got a cheap jacket on I don't care about, and my beach towel protecting my $80 pants. So I'm sure it'll work. Might not be the most fashionable.
Okay, so now we're just gonna add the coleslaw to the meat.
Just adding a little bit of sriracha, and then we'll probably top it with more on our individual bowls.
Top with some green onions, and then we'll put some more sriracha on it.
All right, in the back of the GFC, in the truck bed, I moved out our stuff. I'm sitting on top of the drawer system I built. We got our buddy heater over there. Tailgate's down, you probably can't see it, so we got some ventilation still. but we're trapping some heat in here. We've got our down blanket. Gonna watch some Netflix on the iPad. It's a bit cold this morning, so we're hanging out in the back of the truck again, making coffee back here. Got some bacon going on the Blackstone, a couple eggs on a piece of toast. Then we're gonna slowly pack up, meet up with some friends. We're gonna move spots. I think there's a little bit of off-roading to get to the next one. I might try my luck at some fishing over here, but I don't see anything moving around in the water, so I don't have my hopes up for that. But first we'll enjoy breakfast and then get going with the day. That was a waste of time. Nothing but moss in that little spot. We'll see when we drive out of here if there's anything better to fish at.
Yeah, we was out last time. It's kind of at the bottom of this road up there.
Just at the trailhead here, Aaron down. Met up with our friends Charlie and Brienne. They brought along their pup Bishop. Trail. It's been probably an hour or so. Got some cool drone footage. right, we're at camp all set up. Took us a couple hours to get back here on the trail. It was super fun. You just saw some of that footage getting back here. We got Charlie and Brianne set up in their GFC on the Tacoma. We got the North Fork of the Kern River right here. We got camp like I was showing right here. Sun's going down, it's getting cool. We're getting dinner on before it gets dark and any colder. So, time to eat. Super simple dinner tonight. Of course, using the Blackstone again. Hot dogs, brats. We're leaving in the morning. Didn't want to have any dishes. We've already done 2 other full dinners, so just keeping it simple tonight. Next door, they're going a little fancier. Curry with rice noodles. Looks a little more appetizing than hot dogs and brats, but super technical dinner. Gotta have a lot of skill to make this one. It got real cold again tonight. It's 9 p.m. The water bottles are already freezing outside. So we're in the back of the GFC again with the buddy heater on, hanging out, and
Some strawberries and whipped cream.
And we'll get the iPad going. So that's it for tonight. Too cold to be outside. It's 9 a.m. We're about to pull out of camp. It's 21 degrees right now, so it was definitely down in the teens last night. So we've got a few things to tweak about this cold weather camping to make it a little more comfortable, but it's been fun. It's time to head out of here. We've got an hour and a half to 2 hours of trail driving to get out of here, so we'll show you some of that along the way. That's gonna do it for this trip. About an hour and a half out on the trail. We just got back to the asphalt, airing up the tires. We got a 4 or 5 hour drive ahead of us. Trip was pretty fun. Hit some cold temperatures that we haven't experienced before, but it's still enjoyable. Thanks for checking out the video, and we'll see you on the next one.